What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. I'm thinking today I take a route that we've never gone before. At least I haven't been on it on my bike, and it'll be new to the channel as well. So we're gonna go on it together. Pretty busy day, pretty tired. I was talking about it in the last video. Had a pretty eventful weekend, and sleep was not, wasn't really prioritized. But we feel good enough to ride, definitely being safe. And I figured, very nice day, it's about 80 degrees. Why not be a little adventurous and go somewhere we haven't gone before on the bike? And yes, I'm working on the shifting, the revving, the matching, all that stuff. Well, that was definitely unnecessary. You guys are seeing it all. I mean, every mistake, every victory, it's all documented, not cutting it off, not cutting anything out. So you'll see every bad shift, every high RPM. I'm a beginner. What can I say? We're working on it. We're learning together. And this bike is very beginner friendly. Just don't be an idiot, is really my best advice. That's what I'll say. Wind noise has also been an issue with my current setup. Like going, I'd say, less than 50 miles per hour when the wind isn't that much of a factor, it sounds great. As soon as that wind picks up, it doesn't sound too good. Like, the wind is really blowing now. It's definitely coming through, but I kind of tucked the microphone a little bit deeper into the cheek pad to hopefully block some more of that noise out. Like right now I'm talking and I can barely hear myself with all this wind coming through the helmet, so. It's also a budget mic. I'm excited for this new way home. Clean little downshift there. Also, I need to work on my posture in the bike. Let's try downshift again. Better. Ooh, just hit the camera. Again. Not better. So I did that thing again. Anyways, we normally go straight through this next four-way. Instead of straight, we're going left. Just like that. Here we go. And just like that, we're up to the speed limit. New road. Let's experience it together. There's a driving range up around this corner. Good thing I'm wearing gear, in case a ball comes flying up. See the driving range? I'm gonna hold that. downshift. Right turn signal. Downshift. Brake, brake, brake. Look into the turn. Smooth it out. Car coming up to the right. You better stop. Thank you. Here we go. Ooh, look at this turn. Some pretty big turns. Good practice. What is this? You let me through. Unfamiliar roads on the bike, so I'm taking the corners pretty slow. It's a nice ride though. Feels good to be out here. Stop sign ahead. Gonna catch a downshift. Ugh. Ugh. See, you guys are experiencing this with me, so like this is good. This is real good. Honestly, if we get lost, that's fine. We ain't lost. I know exactly where we're at. What the hell? Is this guy taking my picture? I want a copy of that shit. Make for a good picture, I'll tell you that much. Why do I talk like that? See me lean into that turn? I felt nice. Little bendy bend. 30 miles per hour. Alright, alright. See you. Oh, that was bad. Slow her down, slow her down. See? We're learning. We're learning. Had to slow it down around that corner. Slow it down around here as well. Okay, okay. Take it nice and smooth, nice and easy. Slow it down, turn around the bend. Something like that. Cool, cool. So I could hop on the highway, but I've already showed that in the video. We're going to get some new scenery, some new footage. See what's going on up here. Overlook the highway, look at that. Cool, cool. So we're going to go straight. This car's poking out. Yep, they're stopping. We have a bridge coming up. Under the bridge we go. We're going to make our right-hand turn. Downshift, brake. Downshift, brake. Downshift, brake. Turn with it. Slow down. That was not great. But, again, we're learning. That is so much fun. Ooh, it's yellow, but we are off to the races. Everything is going to get better, I promise. I'm a firm believer in practicing, experience, and over time, if you're practicing the right stuff, it'll start to translate. You just got to work at it. Just got to work at it. This is a fun little twisty road here. Look through the turn. Look through the turn. Other side. Look through the turn, where you want to go. I veered off a little bit, but that's a-okay. Looking through, looking through, looking through. Give it some gas. occasionally I just like to give it a little bit of throttle. Something about it, something about it. Truck scared me for a second there. Got bugs all over my windscreen, or my, whatever you call it, visor. Well, these roads are now familiar, so I thought it'd be cool. Take another route home, something different, experience some new things, experience some learning opportunities around those turns and curves and downshifting while speeding or while slowing down, braking, all that stuff. If you like the video, press the like button, leave a comment, subscribe for more. Peace. Look at these dudes up here. Kind of want to join them.